Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by freeing resources and ensuring software is current. Close overlays and heavy apps so the game can use RAM and GPU. Once done, change ETS2 graphics to medium or custom and lower shadows, reflections, and traffic density to reduce draw calls. Make sure to update your GPU driver, Windows, DirectX, and Visual C++ redistributables. These updates fix stutters caused by bad runtime libraries. Now you have the basics in place and are ready to dig into deeper settings. You now tune both system and game for consistent frames. Switch to a high-performance power plan and set your GPU to prefer maximum performance so clocks don't bounce. Next, add efficient launch options like Nitro. Consider disabling texture streaming if textures load mid-drive. In graphics, test VSync versus a frame limiter. Sometimes locking to 60 FPS yields smoother gameplay than uncapped spikes. Also reduce scaling and shadow distance to lower CPU-GPU load. These changes target You finish by isolating variables and validating integrity. Disable all mods, then re-enable a few at a time to find mod-related lag. Many frame drops come from heavy map or traffic mods. Once done, verify game files through Steam. Corrupted archives can cause load hitches. If problems persist, monitor CPU and GPU temperatures, run a memory test for faulty RAM, and perform a clean GPU driver install. If nothing helps, roll back to a known working save. That often restores performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.